Brand new 2026 15.1 O.V.E by Palomino. It's going to be a brand new floor plan, fully loaded, off-road, for off-roading, independent suspension, 4 heavy-duty actuators to lift this soft top. We're going to have a thermal upgrade down here that'll go around, wrap around your canvas to help insulate it if you do some cold weather camping. Tankless water heater, outside shower, huge pass-through U-shaped storage, prep for that lippert ladder, full-size spare, 2 propane tanks, power tongue jack, and there's that independent suspension built to go off on those trails that you can't go with anything else. On this side here, we'll have this nice long keyter rail for any extra components that you want to add for like an outside kitchen to go with your external propane hookup. This has a cassette toilet, so it's easy to dump without actually moving the trailer. You're gonna have a rear awning with a rear entrance. As we head inside, you're gonna see we're actually gonna be able to sleep 5 in this. You have the full size or queen. I'll make sure I put that in the description below, up top. And then a single bunk, and then it looks like a twin size bunk. Little dresser area, tons of storage underneath, storage up top. Two burner stove, sink, heat with the option to add AC. But it has 2 fans in this. Nice 12-volt refrigerator, rooftop solar, 100 amp hour lithium battery, centrally located controls, bathroom area. You will have a toilet, outside shower, but plenty of knee space in this guy. We'll also have a dinette that will convert to sleep a 5th person if ever needed. This is great for those hunting camps, extreme outdoor adventures. If you're an overlander, this is definitely a great option. We're right around 3,500 pounds unloaded. Hey everybody, Justin with Hartley's Auto. Right now we are live. There you have it, folks. This is a very brief, quick travel trailer walk around. I'll have a longer one with more details as we go. So stay tuned. I'm Mike Sampson of Straw Hat Adventures, and I'll see you in the next one. What's going on, campers? Mike Sampson here, and today I'm back with another travel trailer walk around. Today we're going to be going around the 2026 O.V.E 15.2. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, so we're outside the O.V.E 15.2. Now, this is the brother to the 15.1 that I recently did a video on. But we're going to do a quick walk around of this guy and show some of the differences between the 15.1 and the 15.2. On the outside, you don't look like it's much different because the main focus will be on the inside and the changes. But you do still have the dual roof racks, the solar up on the top, the ladder prep for that lippert ladder on the go. You do have the U dinette or the U storage on this, on-demand water system, 30 amp service, your freshwater fills, storage cabinets. One of the biggest things that I really love about these guys is you have that heavy duty independent suspension. Nice knotty tires, so if you're a hunter or a fisher, this is something that you can go out with in them backwoods and get off trail. You do get a full-size spare up here in the front, 2 propane tanks, 4 heavy-duty stabilization jacks. It's a 2 5/16 coupler, nice power tongue jack, big base plate on the bottom of that. Nice amount of windows on it, helps keep it nice and light. It does have the cassette toilet like the 15.1, and then you also have these Keter rails to be able to build an outside kitchen or any of the accessories you might be able to add. A couple of the quick specs on this. Unloaded, we're going to be 3338, a dry hitch of 390, a gross vehicle weight rating of 5260. It's 19.2 in total length, 7 foot wide, and 8.7 in height. You're going to have a rear awning on the back side here, which is at about 6 foot, and this will sleep 4. As we go inside, you're going to see we have a nice 3-step solid step, and right as we go in, on our left, you're going to see our Renogy solar controller, on and off battery disconnect. This is to operate your roof up and down with a remote. We have nice display panel and controls here. For 12-volt refrigerator. Tons of storage on that. You got some soft cabinetry up top on each side. You're gonna have your front bed. I will try to get the description or the dimensions of that bed in the description down below. Nice little sink, 2-burner stove. You got a furnace underneath that. Like I said, the on-demand water system. Some storage underneath your sink. Couple bunks down below. They are not the same size. I will get measurements and let you know what the dimensions of those are as well. But this one here could sleep 5, 2 adults and a few little ones. You do have charge ports and each side of here with that storage. 12-volt fan, an exhaust here, and this is pre-wired to accept a solar, or pre-wired to accept the AC option on these. They go with a Suburban thermostat over here in this back corner. You got a nice little dinette. And the big difference between the 15.1 and the 15.2 is going to be the bathroom area. This one here in the 15.2 is going to have a shower. So you get a nice little skylight with a wraparound curtain for your shower. And then you also have your toilet. So this goes to a full bath versus the half bath that is in the 15.1. It's probably the biggest difference that I can notice in between them. There's probably a couple other smaller specs and things like that. But for the most part, they're about the same there up until the bathroom area. So if this fits more of your needs because you'd rather have a full bath than a half bath, then this could be a better fit for you. This was a quick travel trailer walk around. I'm Mike Sampson, and you can get a hold of me on my email for more information on these guys at mike@cortlandrv.com. And I will see you in the next one. Rising. Good morning, campers. It's time to rise and shine, and it's walk around time. That sounds better in my head. What's going on, campers? Another sneak peek. I'm actually inside the brand new 2026 15.3 in the O.V.E line. I got the video on the 15.1 and the 15.2 I don't think is out yet, but will be soon. They made some nice changes. Really like the color scheme in this one with the wood. This has the wet bath, or sorry, this has the dry bath like the 15.2. Your bed up there, and then they turned, instead of the bunks in the dresser area, they gave you storage here. Nice cubby holes there. Your sink, 2-burner stove. This one will have, already has the rooftop AC installed. You have your 12-volt refrigerator, your drawers with your solar, and then this really nice dinette. Yeah, so as you can see here, some nice changes to it. I really like the trim work, the color display. We'll head outside and show you some of the storage on it. So you're still going to have that rear awning off the back, 3-step solid step. Campside, you'll have your cassette door there, heater rails, be able to mount stuff. Oh, you even got a nice outside refrigerator for the drinks. Oh, massive pass-through storage. That is massive. Looks like we got lights in here too. Oh yeah, nice little easy touch lights. Those are awesome. And in that package over there will be your thermal blankets that go around your windows if you're out cold season. Still has the power tongue jack, propane tanks, full-size spare mounted right there to the wall. Really cool. And as always, they came right out with that independent suspension, so you can get off the beaten path, go where nobody else will.
Oh, I like it.
Got the big awning on here. You're gonna have, those are held on with suction cups there. Let me know in the comments below if there's something that interests you, if it fits more your needs over the 15.1 or 15.2, or just anything in general, any questions you got. I don't have specs on this because we're at the show, but I can get them. So drop the comments. I'll see you in the next one.